everyone, welcome back to Luxe Life. Today we're stepping inside something so incredible, it completely redefines what an RV can be. Meet the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome, a five-star resort on wheels that blurs the line between a vehicle, a private jet suite, and a luxury hotel. Imagine this. You pull up beside a mountain range, step out of the captain's seat, and walk into a space so elegant it feels unreal. That's the experience BMW has created. Pure indulgence on the move. Let's start up front. The cockpit draws inspiration from the BMW 7 Series, featuring a sleek digital dashboard, gesture controls, and a futuristic augmented reality windshield that overlays navigation, hazards, and even live weather data right onto the road ahead. But the real magic begins behind the cockpit. The floor automatically levels, ambient lighting adjusts to your mood, and a signature BMW fragrance fills the air. Yes, there's built-in scent programming. First stop, the Cinema Lounge. Forget tiny screens and Bluetooth speakers. This is a full 4K home theater setup with surround sound, reclining leather chairs, blackout shades, and voice-activated controls. Say movie night, and the entire space transforms instantly. Next, glide into the spa zone, because of course, BMW added a spa. There's a retractable hot tub using marine-grade water purification technology and a digital steam shower with aromatherapy presets. Picture ending a long drive with a hydro massage under soft lights while streaming your favorite music. That's not just travel, that's transformation. Now the crown jewel of this motorhome, the panoramic sky lounge at the rear. A 270-degree retractable glass enclosure opens up to the stars at night and floods the space with sunlight during the day. You get hand-stitched merino leather seating, a floor made of reclaimed yacht wood, an espresso bar, a digital fire pit, and ambient nature soundscapes that create the ultimate escape. And while it's built for luxury, it's also an engineering marvel. Under the hood, a hybrid powertrain with a solar assist roof delivers up to 800 miles of range without a fuel stop. It rides on adaptive suspension, uses real-time terrain scanning, and even features autonomous valet mode so it can park itself while you relax. So who's it for? The elite traveler, the tech-driven explorer, or simply anyone who refuses to compromise on comfort or innovation? The 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's BMW's boldest vision yet, turning the open road into a personal paradise. If this rolling mansion blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe to Luxe Life, and tell us in the comments which feature impressed you most. More luxury machines and futuristic rides are coming soon. Until then, keep exploring in style.